Alright, we are now going to watch the part 2 of extended dreads. If you're still new on our channel, please first do this. Alright, yes, my name is Maurice, the crochet master, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing. So we're going to take a look on how to do the extended dreads, and please, in this video I want to explain everything and those tricks that we have to learn when it comes to do extended dreads, because there are a lot of things that we need to learn about the extended dreads. So this is the way we do it, as I always explained to you in those previous videos. If you didn't see how we locked this part 1, please, you can go back in my previous video and look for it so that you follow all the parts up to the end. So we are still on the part 2, but more on this one. I'm going to show you the way and those tricks you're supposed to do when plaiting the extended dread. So look here very careful. You see how I try to roll the hook? You see, it's when I do this, I put it up like that, then I turn it. So at the end, when you're done with the ending, you just have to lock back. I explained to this that locking back, this one help when someone is going to do the repair. So this the locking back help to it helps when you hook as you're going to repair. You just use it to hook it so that you can lock very well. So this is how we do the way we hook it, but that's how we do it. So I think you can connect all these ideas with those first videos that I've been doing, and you can try to see the volume of this hair is thick, like the way I told you. So there are a lot of things that you're also supposed to know when it comes to the extended dread. When the volume of the hair is that, like when the hair's got a lot of volume, when it is thick, there are those tricks that you're supposed to use when locking. Number 1, it's about the hook that you're using. So right now you're seeing I'm using hook number 4, but you see whenever I lock, it all doesn't come out. I just try to keep on using my hand to pull it up. But if it's like number 2, it would all come out like that. But still, number 4, you can still use it if you can be doing this way, like that remaining here, to pull it with your hands, not like forcing it. You understand? So it's not good like to force it, because you'll be pulling down on the place, on the first position where I locked. So as I told you that we always leave an inch, and this is the ½ inch that we already use, so that my extension can pass through. You see, let's try to look here. You see what I'm trying to say? That's how it looks. So you just do it that way, and trust me, there's no pain that you'll feel, because the problem that we always do when we are plaiting dreads, or even these extended dreads, it's that people always lock from down. Like they lock it the first time when they are locking, like the way you're seeing these locks, they lock them tight from down. So that by the time you're going to use the extension, you find it's hard for the extension. Yes. So and even if I'm trying to explain this, so you see how I do it, it's up and down, like down and up. You know why I do it this way? It's like whenever I do this way, I'm also protecting the hair from breaking when unplaiting, because at times that those people, I've been hearing people complaining saying that we plait dreads, yes, but after when we're going to unplait, they break. So I just got an idea of doing extended dreads because for it I use your own hair. I use your own hair. Yes, so when I use your own hair, that means the way you see I'm hooking the hair, it means when you're going to unplait, still you will use that you'll use that trick of unplaiting it, because you'll be seeing your hair. So that's why when I'm locking, I use your normal hair. So let's look here that even the hook, when I'm trying to hook it, I don't hook it straight. You see, it's just it is opposite from my locking. You understand? I don't hook it straight to the locking. It's just upside down. So I'm using her own hair. You see? So it means when she's going to unplait, she will also do the same, like she will just remove the hair. But at times we've been mixing it with the kinky. So when it stays longer, let's say like a year, you find it starts look like the real hair. So it becomes very hard for you to unplait it, because you won't know where the hair is and where the extension kinky is. So that's why for me, when I'm trying to lock it, I make sure I lock using your own hair, so that when you're going to unplait, you'll be seeing how you're unplating. In fact, maybe one day, if these people try to come back, because they're still there, when they try to come back opening, I'll show the video showing you how easy you can open that dread. So those are the things that we're supposed all to learn. And this lock back, you see, it's always like that. You see how it is, because I first lock before I lock back. You understand what I'm saying? Because if I do it so that after I lock back, when you try to lock again, it will somehow it will be rough on the locking. So you see, like the way it is locked back, that one I can't pass it through. So that's why I first lock before I lock back. You understand what I'm saying? So that's how we keep on doing the extended dread. I know there are a lot you're supposed to learn in this video. That's why even it was very, very hard for me, like to edit everything and remove it, because there's still a lot we are supposed to see so that we can learn. Let's look here again. Try to see how the hair is moving. You see, I'm using your own hair. You understand? So it means even if you want to unplait these dreads, you can still do it yourself, and you unplait it yourself. It will be easier for you to unplait them. So trust me, extended dread, they would be the best for you, so that you can maintain and protect your hair. You understand? For long, because I told you this thing can last for a year, as long as you keep on doing the repair. So there's even still some other trick that we always use when we are in the middle. So try to look here. It's not like I'm doing up down. This one, like, I'm trying to put this down, then I change it when I'm going to show you again. I'm going to try to show you again. Let me try to lock. See, it's always easy for me locking just because I leave that half inch. You see, just like that. Trust me, where will you feel the pain? And if you see that the space is still there, you can also keep locking just like that. Yes, when you try to see the space is still there, you can lock it twice. So that's how our dread looks, and it is very, very easy for you to unplait it. And trust me, it is soft, light, and still you can do anything with it. So yes, those are the things I was trying to explain to you about the extended dread. That is something that is going to protect your hair. Since it is short and light, you can wash it. Even if possible, you will have to unplait it yourself if it's possible because we use your own hair when plaiting it. So I would like to shout out to my friends who are watching right now. Please, let's comment, let's share the video so that we all get to learn and share ideas about hairstyles, because yes, we have to keep on learning, Yes, this is the trick I was telling you about, that we just keep on changing. You can just keep on changing your hands from this way and the other way. Like, let me try to show you here, like that. Then you change it. This is another trick, by the way. Then you put it up like that, then you change it. I know it's somehow confusing, but you can get to learn to do it. It's simple, and then you change it. So after you bring and lock, before locking back, just lock down. You see, I haven't locked back. See, there's still some space. Then you lock again. After locking again, tap. Yeah, so that's how it is, and then you lock back. So let's see in front with this trick of ours, and you see how it's also going to work for you, because I want you to try all these two tricks. The one of up and down, if it is working for you, still you can use that. But this one is more better because there's the way it like that, and you change the way it gives you the extension to look more neater. Yes, and to those who cannot space the hooking here, like when you're hooking, so when you always do this up and then you change, you see how I'm doing it. I don't know if it is very tricky, but it is better than the other one. So if it's like I'm trying to, if it's trying to be hard, then you can just use the other one. Yes, this side, and then you change just that way. You see? And then you up and you change. Up and then you change. It is very, very nice. This method also is very, very nice. Like, it's better than the other one of up, down, up, down. But if you're used with the other one, you can still go with it. So maybe you should always try to. You can also try this one also, because there's the way it gives you the good spacing, you understand, than the other of up and down. So that's how I can explain about the extended dreads. So trust me, the I wouldn't add more about the finishing, and I've decided I'm going to bring it on the part 3 so that I show you how she looked and how we styled it the way she loved it, because it was still a lot. And I think for the extended dreads now, we all know the tricks that we are going to be using. So I sign out. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. Please just wait for part 3 to show you how the extended dread, to show you the finishing of our extended dread. Thank you so much for being patient, and thank you so much for learning. See you in the part 3, and trust me, you're going to love it. We are going still to learn a lot, but it's going to be the end of the extended dread so that we can watch out some other thing. Bye bye. See you guys.